Put all the spares in the boot for the scrap man, and you should see the boot right now. Actually, it's quite funny. So the poor Range Rover is getting all wet, and she wants to come back home. So yeah, here's all the spares that we bought for the BMW, currently in the boot. If anyone is looking for a nice interior, I mean, get in touch, because I'll give you the details of the scrap man. To be fair, it's the only thing going for it, really. Yes, guys, so obviously this is how we're leaving the timing chain for the scrap man. The timing chain obviously isn't the issue